Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by softening the adhesive so the sticker lifts cleanly. Apply gentle heat from a hair dryer or heat gun at low distance for about 20-30 seconds while keeping the bag flat. Once warmed, peel a corner slowly with your fingernail or a plastic card to create a grip. If you feel resistance, stop and reheat for another 10-20 seconds. This prevents tearing or stretching the bag material. Make sure to work steadily rather than forcefully. Once a corner is free, you'll peel the sticker back at a low angle, maintaining consistent tension to avoid leaving pieces behind. If residue remains, apply a small amount of adhesive remover, rubbing alcohol, or cooking oil to a cloth and press onto the residue for 1 to 2 minutes to break down the glue. Then rub gently in circular motions until the residue loosens. Make sure to swap to a clean area of the cloth as glue transfers, and reapply solvent sparingly if required. To finish, clean the area with mild soap and warm water, rinsing away any solvent and oil to prevent staining, then dry the bag thoroughly. If faint sticky spots remain, repeat the solvent step briefly or use a fabric-safe stain treatment and let it air dry. If the sticker tears or leaves fibers, use tweezers to lift fragments and reapply heat to loosen stubborn bits. One troubleshooting tip: if the solvent dulls a finish, stop and test a small patch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.